Guys, the next big Bitcoin move is about to happen. Today, I need to talk about exactly what I see happening in the market. We're having some incredible stuff happening both in front of us and also behind the scenes. So yes, very important stuff to talk about today. I will talk about altcoins, we'll talk about my trading strategies, we'll talk about everything you need to know in order to make money in this crypto market. Welcome back everybody, my name is Chris, bringing you cryptocurrency videos every day, teaching you how to make money in this market. If you are new to the channel, then make sure to subscribe and activate the bell right now. So let's get straight into it, guys. And first, if you have been making money the last few days in the crypto space, then congratulations to you. I wish you the best. And also, if my videos have been helpful to you in any way, then I would like to ask you for a like on this video. I want to see how much engagement we can get and how much these videos are actually helping you. So guys, now let's get into the Bitcoin chart. So what you can see here is that on the 4-hourly time frame, we went down. So first, let me show you this on the daily time frame. So you know how important this orange line here is at $72,000. Right now, you can see that we are still above it. So we have two daily candles right now above, not breaking and closing below the $72,000. This is on the daily time frame. So things are looking really, really good here. If you look at the 4-hourly time frame, yes, we did briefly come down. We went down to 71,300, at which point this this orange line acted as support. So I pushed towards the upside. So the bears did not manage to break us down significantly lower this one, instead finding new support right here and having now some more progress towards the upside. So for me, zooming out, things are still looking very good for Bitcoin. And you know that all of the charts I've been talking about for the last few months, everything has been lining up towards us going up higher for Bitcoin. And I think it's only a matter of time until we break our previous all-time high, at which point massive FOMO is going to happen and we are going to go up to 77, 80, and then the next level of major resistance is at $83,000. So my outlook for the market really is the same as it has been for the last few months. We just continue to see this all play out and we are gonna reach towards the top of this cycle. I think that we're gonna reach $150,000 approximately for Bitcoin. So that is still my base case, that's still my idea and what I think is going to happen. So it's only a matter of time now until we break through these points towards the upside. So that is great to see. The longer term charts are all obviously looking very bullish. We broke through this structure right here, and at which point I said that when we break through this structure, you're gonna see some massive pumps towards the upside. And since then, we've had a pump from 64 up to 74, so that is all great. If you look at the long-term chart, so we're meeting some resistance right now. We're having a little bit, not even trouble breaking through this because it's only been a few days. But okay, we're having a little bit of pullbacks, or at least we're meeting some resistance at this point, I should say. And this is exactly the same thing as you saw when we were approaching our previous all-time high in 2017. This is on the weekly time frame, and we went actually sideways and down for 4 weeks or 3 weeks. So right here you can see 3 weeks of pullbacks and consolidation before we eventually exploded towards the upside. So this is all in line with what you can expect. I still think that things are looking really, really good. For the traditional markets, we're seeing 2 red candles right now. So this is something to keep watching. Of course, if traditional markets continues to go down, that is not a good sign. However, I think that Bitcoin is gonna, even if traditional markets, in fact, what you're seeing right now, traditional markets going down, but you're still seeing Bitcoin go on a big rally. And Bitcoin is going to catch up to the traditional markets because the traditional markets have been doing really well in terms of growth this year, but Bitcoin has been also doing really well, but I would expect Bitcoin to do even better, and that is why Bitcoin is about to catch up for us to have those explosive moves towards the upside. So that is all fantastic. And what's interesting is that the Bitcoin dominance is also going up. So Bitcoin continues to outperform altcoins, which is absolutely fantastic to see. We want Bitcoin to be as strong as possible. And then when we reach the 64% level, that could be a point in which we see Bitcoin dominance start to go down. And that is when we really want to be positioned in altcoins for us to have those massive pumps and take advantage of that. So very exciting things ahead, guys. MicroStrategy, they're raising $42 billion. This is absolutely insane. So they're raising $42 billion And this guy, he just wants to continue to buy more and more and more and more Bitcoin. So they're holding so much Bitcoin already, but he's raising more money, buying more Bitcoin, the best asset in the world. So that is all fantastic. If you look at the ETF yesterday, it's a new record, guys. Almost $900 billion worth of inflows into the ETF. Absolutely insane numbers here. So Bitcoin continues to go up and up and up based also on this buying pressure from the Bitcoin ETFs. And there's not enough Bitcoin to go around, guys. If you just hold your Bitcoin, yes, not financial advice, obviously, but the less Bitcoin there is on the market, the higher and the more explosive the growth is going to be, because there's not enough of sellers. So the sellers, most of them have already sold their Bitcoin. They sold it at $15,000, they sold it at $30,000. And now you are seeing BlackRock and these other entities, there's not enough Bitcoin on the market to go around for the demand through the ETF. So absolutely crazy stuff happening right here. In fact, the CME Bitcoin options just experienced some of its largest volume days ever ahead of the US election. Now the break-even price, or if you look at the options market, let me see here, let me go down, I'm sure it is here somewhere. So yeah, the break-even on the options positions is a touch below $79,300 ahead of the election. So this is what the option markets believes. So let's see if this is going to play out or not. But $79,000 in about, when is the election? Like 1 week. I think that is a good target, actually. I think that is very realistic. I think it is very logical as well. So that is all fantastic. Let's look at this week and what to be expected in terms of data coming out. So you have inflation for the European Union coming out today. You have personal income in the personal spending. You have unemployment rate and non-farm payrolls tomorrow. So today and tomorrow, it's going to be big for data. So expect volatility based on that. Also, a bit of a concern is that Iranian officials says that the country will launch a definitive and painful response to Israeli strike, likely before US presidential election. So as we were hoping that the tensions in the Middle East would stop, well, maybe there's something more to this. So this is also causing a bit of fear in the market. If we continue here, this is a quote from Donald Trump. So this is what Donald Trump said. They have them paying tax on crypto, and I don't think that is right. Bitcoin is money, and you have to pay capital gains tax if you use it to buy coffee. I was talking with a friend, he said it really shouldn't be taxed, and I agree. So Donald Trump thinks that Bitcoin should not be taxed, okay? So could this be the next US president? Could be. Could he implement something like a zero capital gains tax on Bitcoin? Who knows? We will see, guys. But this is bullish. This is definitely bullish. And this is a direct quote from Michael Saylor posting it, quote from Donald Trump. So altcoins a bit hit and miss today. Most of them are down. That is why the Bitcoin dominance is going up so much, because Bitcoin is going up or sideways and altcoins are going down. In terms of our altcoins we're watching on the channel, also today a bit of a red day. TARS protocol is up 5%. So that's great to see. But these other ones, yeah, a little bit of a red day here today, but they're up tremendously for the last 7 days and the last 30 days. So that is cool to see. We'll keep track of the updates on all of these coins, obviously. In terms of the trading strategies, the trading strategy on Pionex, which you can join, is up $30,000 since I actually presented it to you guys. So congratulations to everyone who joined here. You're up 30% already. In terms of the old strategies I was using on OKX, we are up $45,000 approximately. On these running ones. Remember, when this one hit $83,000, I will close them and I will not use OKX anymore for these bots. And on BitGet, same thing here. We are up, what is that, almost $30,000. So everything is going great for these trading strategies. And remember, guys, that the whole point of these trading strategies is to take advantage of the volatility here. So the more volatility we see, the greater these ones are going to perform. So I do not mind us actually going sideways, going down a little bit, going up. This is absolutely perfect. But these have a bullish bias, so you will always make money as long as Bitcoin goes up. But then in between, we're taking advantage of this, we're taking advantage of the volatility here. So that is absolutely fantastic to see as well. And if you want to use this trading strategy, very, very easy to do so. Go to the description of this video. You have my full tutorial here at the top talking about everything you need to know about these strategies. But if you just want to sign up, you click on this link right here first. Boom, you sign up, and then you click on this link to be eligible for the massive bonuses. And then finally, with one click, you click on the third link to set the bot up for you with just one click right here after you have already signed up. So that is all fantastic, and we will reach the $1 million profit target very, very soon, I am pretty sure. Finally, October is closing today, and we're up 14% so far, so absolutely fantastic. October turned out to be as bullish as we were expecting. Very, very fantastic to see. And now we enter into November, December, January, February, March, April. And these are in general the most bullish period for Bitcoin. So we have a lot of very important and exciting things to look forward to, guys. And we will all take it here on the channel. I will continue to try to give you my best ideas about how to actually make a lot of money in this market. So I hope that you appreciate that. I appreciate all of you guys. And yeah, with that said, guys, I will see you guys in the next video.